In the world of commercial aviation, few aircraft have captured the imagination of travelers. Enthusiasts and engineers quite like the Airbus A380. It's not just the largest passenger aircraft ever built, it's a flying marvel, technological powerhouse that redefined what was possible in the skies. From its colossal wingspan to its double-decker configuration, the A380 stands as a true icon of modern aviation. Welcome to Airborne Atlas, and today we're diving deep into the story, the design, and the legacy of the Airbus A380. The Airbus A380, also known as the Super Jumbo, made its maiden flight on April 27, 2005, from Toulouse, France. It was a bold answer to Boeing's longtime dominance with the 747. And Airbus set out to create something that was not only larger, but also more efficient and innovative. After years of development, costing over $25 billion, the A380 was finally introduced into commercial service with Singapore Airlines in October 2007. This giant of the sky measures an astonishing 72.7 meters, 238 feet, 7 inches in length, and boasts a wingspan of nearly 80 meters, 262 feet. To put that into perspective, it's longer than two blue whales placed end-to-end and has a wingspan wider than a football field, standing 24.1 meters. Tall about the height of an 8-story building, the A380 is nothing short of massive. One of its most defining features is its length double-decker layout. Unlike the Boeing 747, which only has an upper deck at the front, the A380's upper deck runs the entire length of the fuselage. This allows it to carry up to 853 passengers in an all-economy configuration, or around 555 in a standard 3-class layout. That's the equivalent of moving an entire small village with each flight. Airlines such as Emirates, Qantas, British Airways, and Lufthansa adopted the A380 for their long-haul operations, offering passengers unmatched space and comfort. The 304 is powered by 4 high-thrust turbofan engines, either the Rolls-Royce Trent 900 or the Engine Alliance GP720. These engines generate around 70,000 pounds of thrust each, enabling the aircraft to cruise at Mach 0.85 around 560 miles per hour and fly over 8,000 nautical miles, which means it can connect cities like Dubai and Los Angeles nonstop. Despite its size, the A380 is remarkably quiet and stable in flight, and its approach noise is actually lower than many smaller aircraft thanks to advanced noise reduction technology. Inside, the A380 offers an unparalleled passenger experience. The sheer space allows for luxurious amenities such as onboard bars, lounges, showers in first class, and private suites. Emirates famously turned their A380s into flying hotels, offering a level of luxury few imagined in commercial aviation. The cabin is quieter than most, with better humidity and air circulation, making long-haul travel noticeably more comfortable. From a design and engineering standpoint, the A380 pushed the boundaries of what was technologically feasible. Its wings had to be extraordinarily strong and flexible, with a wingspan that required many airports to expand taxiways and gates. The fuselage is made from a combination of aluminum alloys and advanced composite materials, balancing strength with reduced weight. Fly-by-wire flight controls and redundant systems ensure maximum safety and reliability. And the cockpit is equipped with advanced avionics, reducing pilot workload on long journeys. Despite all its engineering brilliance, the A380's commercial journey hasn't been entirely smooth. While passengers love it, airlines struggled to make it profitable. The aircraft's massive size meant that it needed high load factors to be economically viable. With the rise of point-to-point travel and more fuel-efficient twin-engine jets like the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350, airlines began favoring smaller, more flexible aircraft over the hub-and-spoke model the A380 was designed for. Production of the A380 officially ended in 2021. The final aircraft delivered to Emirates in December of that year. In total, only 251 units were built. far below the original projections of over 1,200. While its commercial life may have been shorter than expected, the A380's impact on aviation cannot be overstated. It showcased what was possible in terms of comfort, size, and ambition in aircraft design today. Many A380s remain in service, particularly with Emirates, which operates the largest fleet with over 100 aircraft. The airline has even invested in retrofitting its existing A380 South, with updated interiors to extend their lifespan into the 2030s. Other carriers like Singapore Airlines, British Airways, and Qantas continue to fly the A380 on popular international routes. However, many airlines have already begun phasing them out in favor of more economical alternatives. The legacy of the Airbus A380 goes beyond its numbers. It proved that air travel could be not just efficient but also luxurious and comfortable, on a scale never seen before. It inspired airports to grow, engineers to innovate, and passengers to dream bigger. For aviation fans, spotting an A380 on the tarmac or watching it take off remains a breathtaking experience. Interestingly, the aircraft also became a cultural icon. It's been featured in movies, documentaries, and travel vlogs. It also set new standards in safety and performance, having one of the best safety records among commercial airliners. With 4 engines and multiple redundancy systems, the A380 remains one of the safest and most advanced aircraft in the skies today. Technologically, the A380 also pioneered advanced manufacturing techniques. Airbus had to transport parts of the aircraft from across Europe, including wings from the UK and fuselage, sections from Germany and France, using a specially designed fleet of beluga transport aircraft and even custom-built road convoys. Its construction was a logistical triumph, showcasing Europe's collaborative strength in aerospace engineering. Even though Airbus has ceased production, aircraft continues to evolve in terms of operations. Some airports have made permanent adaptations to accommodate the A380, and aviation authorities have issued specific ground handling procedures due to its size. With increasing global air traffic in the post-pandemic world, there's even renewed interest in keeping these aircraft in service longer than originally expected. Moreover, Airbus continues to benefit from the research and development that went into the A380. Technologies developed for the Super Jumbo found their way into newer models like the A350, making future aircraft more efficient, lighter, and quieter. In many ways, the A380 walked so that the next generation of aircraft could fly even farther. For aviation lovers, the Airbus A380 will always be a special aircraft. It symbolizes an era of ambition and luxury in the skies that may never be repeated. In the same way, whether you're watching it soar above the clouds or boarding one for a long-haul journey, the experience is unforgettable. The silence, the stability, it's a sheer sense of space. It all comes together in a way that no other aircraft quite delivers. And if you're lucky enough to fly on one of the remaining A380s still in service, cherish the experience. You're traveling on a piece of aviation history, a rare and remarkable achievement in modern engineering. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Airbus A380, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to Airborne Atlas and hit the bell icon so you never miss a journey into the world of aviation. Drop a comment below telling us your thoughts on the A380. Have you flown on one? What was your experience like? Which aircraft should we cover next? Till then, keep your eyes on the skies and stay curious.